So the Ganga may look like it's all dirty and contaminated and all things mixed up inside. But that doesn't mean you reject the Ganga. So externally you may see anything with Guru, whatever, but you shouldn't reject the Guru. There are grounds and conditions when a disciple should reject Guru, and they're told in Bhakti Sandarbha also, and also in Hari Bhakti Vilas. And by some minor works also, Krishna Bhajanamrita by Narahari Chakravarti, I think, something like that. Very small, unknown books, but it's Krishna Bhajanamrita. And I think mostly some other contemporary authors also describe the conditions when one can reject the Diksha Guru. Generally, that's if he preaches Mayavad, or he's just gives up the path of bhakti and becomes like a New Age or guru or something. Mayavad is Mayavad, but it can be any other kind of vad, except bhakti vad. Like this. So, like anything transcendental, because the question is how to see Guru. Is it? How it sees not material. No, he is material. There's a material side. Just like the Jivan Mukta. Krishna describes Jnani in the 5th and 6th chapter of Gita about the Jivan Mukta. Then he talks about the devotee as Jivan Mukta. The Jivan Mukta, the devotee, he's ananyas chintyantam mam yejana paribhashite. Tesham nityavayuktanam yogakshima mahamyam. This is the Jivan Mukta devotee. His consciousness, ananya chit, his consciousness never leaves Krishna's lotus feet. Ananyas chintyantam. So then he's just like moving like a mannequin. Krishna's doing everything. Yogakshema mahamyam.